Hey guys, welcome back. So, today I will show you a quick and simple way to fix the TPM 2.0 error when launching on Windows. So, let's get straight into it. First thing, on your keyboard, press Windows R. It will show up this kind of way. Now, type in that msinfo, msinfo32 and click OK. It will open up that window here. Look for secure boot state. Now, as you can see, secure boot state is on my computer. Uh, so it's set on. But if secure boot is not enabled, if you see that it's off, what you need to do is go to the settings. Open up your settings, just a moment, like that. Go to the updates and security right here. Okay, so you need to go to Windows Update and then to Advanced Options right here. Additional options, and you will see here the recovery. And scroll down a little bit and you will see again Advanced Startup. So this one here, and click here Restart Now. So your PCB will restart, and from there you can enable that in your BIOS. It will show up something like that Intel R platform trust technology. You will need it to enable it. And after that, everything should work properly without that TPM 2.0 error. And that's it. Super easy fix. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.